Now, for those of you that live up north, the Northeast, the Midwest, and so forth, this is pretty common. You have probably seen this before. We have a return line for the power steering. We have a rubber hose, and it leads into a metal line. And now looking from underneath, look at this. Look at this repair job. Someone just took duct tape and wrapped it. So here we have the power steering reservoir. I've already removed a lot of the fluid using a turkey baster. We can now remove this rubber line, just held on by a clamp. And then I have a few things on standby. This is just a large fastener that I will insert in the hose so nothing comes out. It shouldn't because it's a return line, but you may have some dripping, so prevent any leaks from there. And then I have another rubber hose with a fastener on the end to plug into the reservoir because this will inevitably leak out. Just trying to make as little mess as possible. Okay. Place this guy in here. It looks like we're okay, but nonetheless, doesn't hurt just to plug it up. Okay, now following the line, we see that it ends up way back here. A little hard to get on camera, but right where my finger is, there's a clamp. So I'll just remove that off camera, and then we can remove this entire assembly. And here we have the old part. If you're curious on how to do this on an FJ, the last clamp really is not that bad. Long pliers and just pull it right off its mount. Match the old part up with the new part, and we can go ahead and reinstall the brand new unit. Okay, here we go. Still a little noisy, the power steering pump. Okay, let's add some more fluid in here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Hope you continue to tune in, and we'll see you next time.